Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we are adding to our city market still. We thought it would be fun to make goat's milk soap. This is a paperboard craft, so if you have an empty cereal box and glue, you are good to go. So, let's get making. Start with a template. Trace and cut so you have 16 more rectangles. Put 2 aside to be the front and back of your soap bar. Using a stylus tool on a mouse pad, press the design into the paperboard. Go over it a few times as you want a deep impression. To stay organised, divide the cutouts into piles. Stack and glue 7 blank rectangles together. Then finish with the embossed piece on top. Then glue 2 piles together to complete the soap bar. Cover the sides with a 1 cm strip of copy paper. This simple step makes a big difference to the quality of your piece. Time to paint! Here we chose pastel colours. Purple for the lavender scented soap, green for pine, and yellow for honey lemon. Apply many thin coats. Avoid overpainting the front and back as it may cover up your embossed design. To make the packaging, cut a strip of white poster board and score as shown. With low-tack tape, cover the areas seen. We want to paint in a flag end shape. For the text, reference images from the AG City Market set and do your best to copy the size and font. Work in pencil first. When you are happy, take a sharp brown pencil or fine line marker and go over it. Drawing the goat can be tricky. Essentially, you just want to block out the main shapes for the head, body and legs, then colour in. Add in the brand name with white gel pen. Put glue or double-sided tape on the bottom tab. We can now wrap the packaging strip around the soap bar. You want it to be snug but not too tight. That's it! Now the dolls can buy these adorable, all-natural soap bars. They make wonderful decoration in a doll bathroom or a spa setup. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.